action. Well, you see this Poulan Pro mower? Well, it's not mine, but one of the ladies needed their lawn mowed, and all of my machines are out there at my great grandpa's place. And just to save my grandpa a trip, I figured I'd come down just to use her mower instead. It's either a 2009 or a 2010 Poulan Pro with a Honda overhead cam. Not that bad of a mower, but I really like Husqvarna better in my opinion, because it's got a more solid deck. And I like Briggs & Stratton more, and Kohler more. But oh well. Shoot, it's got self-propelled, it's the hand trigger thing. Got some of the lawn cut. I really don't like these as much as I thought they'd be as good as I thought they'd be. I like the old-fashioned one, like you push down the handle and then it locks into place and you don't have to hold it. But yeah, all four wheels will adjust with one handle, and there it is. There's also a spring-loaded bar. So I'll go ahead and fire it up and cut the grass some more. Figure I'd show you. Just give me a second. I'm trying to plug my headphones back on, so I'm listening to Brooks and Dunn. Doing it with one hand. There you go, a 2009 or a 2010 Poulan Pro, even though I wish it was a Husqvarna. I gotta go dump the bag. Maybe I'll do another clip.